Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong ating makita, yun ang ating babasahin. Syempre, and, yeah, pagdating sa ating private reading, personal reading, yes, message lang po kayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. And if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, si Kuya Dingsi naman po ang pwede ninyong i-message, okay? So, and yeah, pagdating sa ating mga items, yeah, they're all available. Protection from evil eye. So, ito yung ring. This is adjustable, by the way. Yan ang ring natin, okay? So, ito yung atin namang, ang tawag dyan, garterized bracelet. This is unisex. Okay, so ganyan siya. Unisex to, ha? Okay, yung isa natin is yung garterized. Yung ating adjustable. Oo, so ito yung adjustable. Ito yung merong initial na magmamay-ari. Okay, lalagyan namin ng initial. Kapag ito yung ipapagawa mo, tatanungin ni admin kung anong initial ang ipapalagay mo. Okay? So, this is available in red string. Okay? So, na-adjust siya. Like that. Like so. Okay. So, there. And, okay, ito pa. Yung ating evil eye necklace. So, si evil eye necklace, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, hindi lang mabigyang ustisya, oo, sa ating camera. But yeah, this is so nice in person. So, meron siyang, tawag dyan, extender. Okay? Sa kanyang chain para kung gusto mong habaan or iklian yung chain, pwede naman. Pero yes, you can use any kind of chain na gusto mo. Kung meron kang available na chain at gusto mong ilipat yung pendant, kasi yung pendant yung important dito. So, pwede naman. So, pagdating naman sa love, love bracelet is for connections. If you're single, pwede sa'yo to. This is 7 inches long from here to here. This is garterized. Oo, hindi siya garterized, hindi rin siya adjustable. This is fixed, 7 inches long. Okay, so ganto siya. Yan. Okay. Ganyan. So, kung medyo may katabaan ka like me, pwede pa rin sa'yo yan. Oo, diba? And, yung ating grantor necklace. So, si grantor, again, yung taga-grant ng ating mga minamanifest. Okay? Taga-grant. Meaning, sabihin natin, hindi niya para bigyan ka pa ng delays kung handa naman na yung minamanifest mo. And, sasamahan natin ng evil eye. Okay? Para maprotektahan yung minamanifest mo. Okay? Kasi hindi natin alam, maya-maya, sinasabotahe ka na ng ibang tao. Yung mga ginugusto mo sa buhay mo, sinasabotahe ng ibang tao sa paano mo makukuha. Taga-grant lang to, ha? Taga-grant lang po, si grantor. And tagapagbigay ng mga surprises kung hindi pa handa yung gusto mo, yung minamanifest mo. And again, sabi ko, mga minamanifest mo, may chance na pwedeng hindi mo pa rin ka-level or hindi mo pa ka-frequency. So, kung paano niya ibibigay. Okay, paano niya ibibigay yon? So, syempre, lagi siyang merong spare, no, na ibibigay sa'yo kung hindi pa handa yung minamanifest. Pero, yes, gagawa ng paraan ni grantor na maging okay yung minamanifest mo. Syempre. Okay? And, yeah, this is non-tarnish. Hypoallergenic, ganito yung chain. Okay? Ganon yung chain niya. This is 20 inches long. And, again, made to order. And yeah, this is unisex. And yung ating last is yung pang cord cutting. So, si cord cut, pagka-cut ng mga energies na nakahawak pa sa'yo. Okay? Kaya nahihirapan kang umusad, nabibigatan ka, pamimera mo, pamumuhay mo, sa love, whatsoever. Kahit gumagawa ka naman ng paraan. Okay? May mga ganong energy na nakakapit pa rin sa'yo. Para kayo nakatali, no? So, ganon. Yun ang aalisin natin, yun ang ika-cut natin. Okay? So, kung may iba pang mga tanong, just message me. Yun lang. Okay. So, let's start the reading. Okay. Air signs muna. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's for you? Some of you are struggling pagdating sa isang connection, no? Oo. Don't you worry. Magiging okay rin ang lahat. Okay? So, what's for you? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. The moon. Could be Pisces. What's with the moon? The three of cups in reverse. This is energy vampires. This is energy vampire shouting at me. Ha? Okay. Kahit gumagawa ka ng maganda for them, meron pa rin masasabi. Ito yung mga taga-ubos ng energy mo. Sila to. Pwedeng friend mo. Pwedeng nasa small circle lang kayo. They're envy. Okay, feeling envious. Okay. Let's see, what's with this Three of Cups? Somebody, yeah, may chance na ini-evil eye ka nito. May chance. Sino to? Hindi sila consistent sa work. Some of them, wala silang work ngayon. Hindi tumutugma yung mga gusto nilang gawin, mga gusto nilang mangyari sa buhay nila. That's why. Okay? Yeah, the evil eye. Oh my. Yeah, these people cursing you. They're cursing you. Some of them, sila yung nagiging blockages pagdating sa mga pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Could be new opportunities, new beginnings, love, if ever. Okay? So, pwedeng nasa workplace to. Be careful who you trust. Kung kaya mong pumili, pumili ka. Okay? So, what else? Meron ditong mga nangbabackstab. Meron ditong mga naninira pagdating sa'yo. Meron ditong mga nag-share ng mga secrets mo. Pwedeng share mo sa kanya yung secret mo. Pwedeng sinasabi niya yun sa iba. I'm hearing then kiss and tell. Okay? Yeah. Three of Wands. What's with that? Are you waiting for something? Some of you, there's this fire sign waiting for you. Ten of Swords universe. Ano tong hinihintay mo? This is something from the past. Someone from the past. Kung ano man hinihintay mo, hindi ko pa nakikitang darating. Anything na ina-expect mo. Okay? In general, if you're waiting for something, for someone, there's delay. Yeah, there's delay. Some of you, there's this blockages pagdating sa pamemera mo. Kung ano man itong hinihintay mo, kung ano man itong parang stuck ka, pwedeng maapektuhan yung pamemera mo. Yeah, this is delays. Stop mo na yun. Oo. Kung ayaw mong mamroblema or magkaroon ng issue when it comes to your finances. What else? Six of Swords. Nine of Wands in reversed. This is surrendering. Going with the flow. Going with the flow. Something pwedeng susukat ng iyong pasensya. Something, someone. The Seven of Wands universe. Mayroon dito sinasabi na yung problema ay wag hahayaang maging problema na lang. Yes. Okay, yeah, you have to surrender something. Okay? Meron din ditong mga sinasabing hindi naman problema, bakit pinoproblema? Opo. Hindi ko lang kung ano yun. The High Priestess. There's this solution. Yeah, solution. Napaparating. Okay? There's this solution. So, may chance na malilesen or ma-uplift kahit papano yung mga iniisip mo, burdens, whatsoever. Okay? So, there you go. So, what else naman pagdating kay fire sign? Hang on, sandali lang po. Okay, so, fire signs. What's for you? Let's see. Energy surrounding fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Let's see and let's check. Oo. Fire signs. Okay. Temperance universe. There's this something or maybe someone will trigger you. Oo. Ti-trigger ang iyong pasensya. Okay? So, the Ten of Swords. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Parang meron ditong energy na parang magbibigay ng imbalance, no? Na parang magkokos na gusto mo lang isuko to, gusto mo lang itigil na lang. Okay? Pero you have to look for something na parang another way. Mas maganda meron kang plan A to Z, parang ganyan. Okay, the King of Pentacles in reverse. Could be your boss. Ida-down ka nito. Okay? Somebody who is self-centered, like gusto nila sila lang yung nasa top. Okay? Itong taong to hindi to magpapatalo actually. Okay? Hindi yan magpapatalo. So, they will trigger you. Magsasabi ng, ay, ang pangit naman yan. Ay, ganto, ganyan. Ay, ganto, ganto, ganto. Buti pa yung akin. Oh, diba? Yung mga ganong bagay. Wag mo nang i-welcome. Oo. May chance na may ganyan. Na pwedeng mangyari. Justice. Yeah. Ikaw na lang ang tawag dyan, bumalanse sa sarili. Okay? Huwag kang papatol sa ganito. Okay? Mas magandang wag patulan. What else? The Magician. What's with that Magician? Manifestations. The Sun. Oh, there's this energy about surprises. Meron kang grantor, may surprise na parating for you. Yeah, I'm telling you. Kung meron kang grantor na hawak, may mga minamanifest ka na parang hindi pa nadating, there's this surprise na pwedeng parating sa'yo. Okay? Some of you, this is talking about work. Or your business, or finances. Okay? Something na parang may mag-work out, I think. Yung iba naman sa inyo, may chance na sabihin natin may door na mag-open, opportunity. Anyway, yeah. There's this victory and success. Yes. Be careful with people who is evil eyeing you. Yeah, meron. The Magician, the Sun in reverse, this is evil eye. Yeah. Tingin mo dyan okay, pero they're not. They are not. Okay? So, some of you, I'm seeing 3 person wanting to connect. What's with that Knight of Wands? The 7 of Wands in reverse. May mga option. May mga gustong kumonek sa'yo, actually. Okay? What's with this 7 of Wands in reverse? Some of you, ikaw itong parang nakikita kong open in dating. Yeah. Yeah. The Knight of Cups. 2 of Swords. Meron kang idadrop, meron kang pipiliin. Okay? Excuse me, yung throat ko talaga. Yes. May pipiliin, may i-reject. I'm seeing pinakamababa na yung 2 na gustong kumonek sa'yo. Gustong, yeah, I think this is romantic. They like you. They want you. Pero may pipiliin ka syempre. 10 of Pentacles. Sana maging okay yung pipiliin mo. We have here the 3 of Pentacles and the King of Swords. Kailangan utak ang paggaganahin. Some of you, this is the right time to be more practical than emotional. Oo. Okay, it's like head over mind, I don't know, head over heart decision, I think. Okay? I don't know kung bakit kailangan maging practical sa pagpili. Yeah. 2 of Cups. Some of you, they see you as the reward. They see you as the trophy. So, tingnan mo kung sino ba talaga yung deserving. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang pumili agad-agad. Hindi mo kailangan mag-decide agad-agad. I think. Okay? Ano bang meron sa price? Pinaghihirapan. No? Diba? Okay? So, the Queen of Swords. This is being intelligent. Pagdating sa ganitong bagay. Oo. Sa ngayon, kailangan na natin maging practical. Pagdating sa pakikipag-connect. Yes! Andyan yung emosyon, syempre. Pero sa tingin ko, sa ngayon, mas gawin nating lamang ang utak. Okay? Because, yeah, this is just knights. Not kings, not queens, not emperor, not empress. Okay? So, yeah. Next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. That's for you. Water signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay. Oh. The 3 of Swords. What's that? The Tower in reverse. Some of you are avoiding healing. Yeah, the 8 of Swords. There could be an air sign or Scorpio, fellow Scorpio, who is still stuck over separation, over the breakup. Okay? They're like, yeah, there's this like cloudy judgment, blaming themselves. They're stuck. They're sad. Sa energies mo siguro. Kung hindi man ikaw to, merong ganito sa energies mo. Energies surrounding you, water signs. The Three of Pentacles. I don't know if this is talking about third parties. Kung meron kang ka-third party ngayon, if you're in a third party connection, then wala akong nakikita pa dito na energy about magandang result. It will just give you confusion. It will just give you low vibration energies, frequencies, low vibe. Okay? If ever. Not a good decision. Kung ikaw itong magstay or mag-enter. So what else? May mga taong talagang gustong-gustong dinadrop ka. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Okay? Sila yung parang malaking blockages sa growth mo. Excuse me. Okay. What else? Water signs. Seven of Pentacles in reversed. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Stop wasting time over something na sa tingin mong hindi naman nag-give ng magandang result sa'yo. Yeah. Stop holding on to something na talagang nakakapagbigay lang ng aksaya in general sa'yo. Okay? Kung ikaw itong nasa group of friends and feeling mo kailangan mo lang maki-close sa kanila because ganto, ganyan, then yeah, you're just wasting your time. They're just wasting your time. Okay? Yep. Meron ditong gustong mag-ipon. Sinasabihan ni universe kayo na mag-ipon. Yeah. Some of you, meron kayong group of friends na talagang hindi okay. They're like BI. Ano po yung BI? Bad influence. Yes. Some of you, ginagamit ka lang nila sa pera. Okay? Or pwedeng kayo ito. I'm sorry. Pero, yeah. Plan your, sabihin natin, or manage your finances very, very, very carefully. Okay? What else for you, water signs? You have to let go of an earth sign. You have to let go of them. That's specific. Three of Cups. The Page of Cups. Somebody wants to reunite. Somebody wants to say they're sorry. A friend. Here's this Page of Cups. There's somebody into you. Yeah, some of you, you have this somebody na into you, like crush ka. Nasa small circle lang kayo nitong taong to, circle of friends. Who's this Page of Cups? The Eight of Pentacles in reversed. Pero, hindi sila gumagawa ng actions or way. They're not telling you this, na they're into you. They're not open in communication. Okay? Somebody is like eyeing on you, stalking you, somebody. Okay? Maybe some of them, they want to communicate, pero they're just like manifesting it. Manifesting a conversation with you, manifesting na magkaroon ng sabihin nating reunite with you, or reunite. I don't know. May chance na pwedeng kilala mo na nga yun. Pwedeng may nangyaring ending sa inyo. Could be. Could be a past person. Maybe. So, next. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's for you? Ay, magpakita agad si Ace of Pentacles sa'yo. What is for you, Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. One more. What is for Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong meron. Oh. Ace of Cups. New love offer. New love interest. Huh? What's with this Ace of Cups? Somebody wants to express their love for you. Okay? Para tong sasabog na. Yeah, the Ten of Pentacles. They want you. Kung sino man to, ang laki ng pagmamahal nito sa'yo, Earth signs. Some of you, ikaw tong mahal na mahal mo yung pera mo. Okay? Yes. Some of you, you're ready to drop love, or maybe to exchange love para sa pera. Okay? You're ready to reject love para lang sa pera. Sino dito yon? Taas kamay, say, that's me. Yeah, I'm seeing it. Well, yung pera mo, magiging okay, actually. There is this offer coming in, whether love or finance. Yeah. You'll reject a love offer para lang sa pera, some of you. Yes. Or there is somebody na pwedeng, yeah, they're ready to conquer all. Yes, for you. Could be a water sign, fire, earth. Could be any sign. Anong meron sa kanya? This is like a new love. Okay, this is a new love. Anong meron sa kanya? Yeah, they need you. This person needs you. Okay? Yeah. Some of them magaling din sa pamimera. Like you. They're into business. Okay? So, yeah. Judgment. Could be a Scorpio. What else for earth signs? Oh, work. Work. Work, work, work. What's with that? Some of you, this is like a work. Pwedeng work abroad. Mga ganang bagay. Yeah, you're manifesting it. Yeah, it's coming in. It's coming in. work abroad. And hindi ko nakikita ang isa lang to. An opportunity when it comes to work. Okay, work, job, career. Yeah. Parang ikaw tong mamimili. Mamimili. Yes. Yeah, the Empress, the Seven of Wands. Ang ganda. May sun pa, oh. Some of you, ikaw itong parang may energy pagdating sa pregnancy. Are you ready? There's this new addition sa family member. Star. Nakuha mo sun, nakuha mo star, Empress, Ten of Pentacles, then yeah. Diba? Nice. Ace of Cups. Okay? Consistency. May naririnig ako. Consistency. What else for earth signs? Pasensya na po sa boses, ha? Talagang, ubus na. Oo. What else? Ooh. 10 of Cups. You have here 10, 10, 10. That's angel number 10, 10, 10. That's completion. For me, changes maybe. Tingnan niyo sa Google. There's something. Okay, message from universe. Angel number 10, 10, 10. Acceptance. Ay, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? What's with this 10 of Cups? This is happiness. Genuine happiness. Yeah, this is nice. Again, the star. Hindi ka na masyadong mag-worry pagdating sa pamilya mo. Kasi nakikita ko dito, this is consistent. Consistent pagdating sa pera. This is like, yeah, boost. Parang may boost, no? Okay, you don't need to beg. Okay, you don't need to beg. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong nasa challenge ngayon. You're facing challenges ngayon. Four of Wands, the Queen of Wands universe. Okay ba ako sa ginagawa ko? Maganda ba ako? Pogi ba ako? Mga ganong bagay. Okay? I don't know. Yeah, this is like challenges. And I think kailangan mo tong pagdaanan. Yeah, death, universe. Yeah, I think universe is, sabihin natin, nire-ready ka lang for the level up. For the level up. Okay? Universe is preparing you for the next level. I think. For the next level. See? Strength. And the Nine of Pentacles. Yes. Some of you, this is talking about abundance, prosperity, fruition, success. Okay? Strength is, universe wants you na mag-grow pa, na maging okay, na maging stronger. Stronger than yesterday. Yeah, oo. So, yeah. Slowly but surely, I mean, may narinig ako, surely. Okay? Slowly but surely. Success. Victory. Hindi mo to may isip. Some of you, ikaw itong sad, annoyed, confused. Because yeah, ito kasi yung paparating. Victory. Success. Okay? Lahat ng tao nakatingin sa'yo. Admiring you. Kung anong meron. Okay, anyway. So, there. Yeah. Yan ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye.